The hero's journey story starts when the character steps into the unknown, reminiscent of the Fool. Any story in our life cannot truly begin until we embody the archetype of the Fool and take a step into the potential for new experiences. Notice that many stories begin with a character who is reluctant to step into the unknown, refusing to take that leap, remaining in their comfort zone. Act 1 is the initiation of the character's willingness to start a new story. By the end of Act 1, they are willing to accept a task, step into the unknown, and embody the archetype of the Fool. And now the story truly begins. So in essence, Act 1 is the story of a character becoming the Fool.